Good night to all our viewers. We are here tonight to talk about former dancehall reggae star Vybz Kartel, aka the world boss now Mr. Golden. Give us your takes.
Right now Magaza Misa on me care way some boy want to talk so them need to free up the world boss.
You a talk bullshit. A gully me say.
Hold no Mr. Paul, so what you are saying Mr. Golden the teacher is innocent?
If he is innocent, so who responsible for the dead bodies?
Your mother.
Don't pass her place with me, boy. You and your bleach out face friend will dead.
Hold on, you're bleaching arguments to your load. One shot till the shot from the 16 I see you load. Your body brother you fit talk about. You fit talk say you're pissing on.
And now we come to the end of the show. We will see you next time.